What is up, TM Mafia? I'm back with another video, and as you can tell from the title, today I will be doing a hair tutorial. I have never done this on my channel before, so it's like all kind of new to me too. But if you have me on Snapchat, and if you don't, it'll be somewhere on the screen. But if you have me on Snapchat, like I post a lot of videos of myself, very much conceited. And people are always signing up, like asking me, oh my god, how did you get your hair to be so slick down? Oh, what do you use on your natural hair? Like, and I'm just like, you know what? Those are all like content ideas. Let me just show you guys how I lay my hair, because I know it is very difficult for like us natural hair girls to lay our hairs, especially because like it waves up. Of course, when you have curly hair, it waves up, or let's say the humidity just causes it to frizz up. Like, it just never stays. But I personally feel like my hairstyles always stay. Like when I do ponytails, slick down ponytails, they always stay because of my special friend here, Eco Styling Joe. Yeah, if you don't have Eco, go get Eco. Don't even continue this video expecting to do a ponytail if you don't have Eco. It would be like a middle part kind of ponytail, a low ponytail. Just something simple. And then further on, like throughout my channel, if you guys enjoyed this, then I'll do different hair routines, you know, like different hair, like different steps and stuff to do different hairstyles. I don't really know. This is all still new to me. I'm just finding new content like each and every day. I've been slacking badly. Like, it's been like weeks since I recorded my last video, and that's not okay. And I look so busted right now. I thought lip gloss was gonna help me look better, but it didn't. But besides the point, if you guys haven't already, go ahead and stop this video, pause it, and go like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Don't forget to share it. And without further ado, let's get on to the video.
Go real, I ride in, it's a big tall hills, big fat checks, big large bills, run out flip like 10 car wheels.
Okay, first I need to take my hair out of this little whatever that was. Guys, I still am mad at myself for cutting my hair, but hey, it was worth it. Not even gonna lie to you, it was worth it, because I feel like my hair has like gotten thicker, and I feel like it's not as damaged now as it was before. But it is still kind of damp from the time that I washed it. Not last time, but I washed it last night, and it's still kind of damp. But when I first start off my ponytails, I like to make sure my hair is like okay. And now it's kind of wet, just to give it some moisture, because I hate having dry hair. When you try to do ponytails with dry like hair, it does not work very well. I personally feel like it does not work very well. Kind of massage the water into your roots just to make sure that your hair is like fully moist. Ew, I hate that word. Okay. Next, I am going to go in with my Shea Moisture. I love Shea Moisture products. I don't know why, but I just do. This is a detangler, actually. My hair is not tangled at all, but I still like to go in with the detangler to make sure that I get the smoothest ponytail ever. Like, the smoothest ponytail. I feel like... And then I go in with the, it's also Shea Moisture. It's a Strength and Restore Styling Lotion. I use it when I'm doing like any hairstyle. It just gives it definition, volume. It also helps with like frizziness. My house, and it frizzes up. And then next, I like to use this oil. It's a stimulating hair oil. It's called Do Grow. I think it works very well. I just bought this one though. I used to use the I think it was a green one. This is my first time using this one. It says promote strong, shiny, healthy hair. Hopefully it does, because I need to do something with this hair. And I just like to section my hair, like usually in the middle, since I am doing a middle part. I like to section it like right through the middle, and then gently apply, like not too much because it'll leave your scalp very oily. And I just apply it throughout. Sometimes I do like to apply a little bit in my hand to just make sure like my hair gets it too and not just my scalp. But I did it last night, like when I took my shower, so that would be very pointless to do it again. Then I would have very oily hair. Don't need that. Okay. And now the actual part that y'all are here for, the actual ponytail process. I like to use this, I don't even know, it's not a wide tooth comb at all, but like there are thinner like tooth combs, so I don't even know what this is, like medium tooth comb, I guess you could say. Sometimes I use like this fine comb though, like it's very fine, the end of it is very fine and thin, and it helps part it nicely, like it helps part like a straight part. But this is my go-to comb though. Okay, and now I am going to start my part. I like to start from like the middle of my nose. I feel like that gives me a good idea of where like the middle of my face is. Some people just, you know, guess or like freeball and just know where the middle of their face is, but not me. I actually have to start from like my nose up, or else it will not be a middle part. It would be like some type of a side part or something. Like I am very unsymmetrical, and I've noticed that about myself. But after I've parted it, like I'm just gonna continue to brush through to make sure that it's like as smooth as it can be. Y'all see how short my hair is? I'm going to cry. Every time I just look at it, I just want to cry. But hey, it's for the best. Just gonna comb through it. And I like to double check to make sure like that is the middle part of my hair. Because if it's not, you're just gonna be like very disappointed. So please make sure it's like the middle of your hair, because it will be obvious if it's not. But I like to just massage my scalp before I do the ponytail, because I feel like massaging your scalp helps your hair grow. This is my personal opinion. And before I even like add any gel to slick down my hair or anything, I like to just go ahead and brush it into place so I can know like what I want, what I have going on. You see how it looks like it's staying already? Just because of the products that are in it. Just like kind of brush it where you want it. I don't like when my part is too far back though, so I am going to fix that. It's still too far back, so just kind of blend it with the rest of my hair. Okay, perfect. And now I'm gonna brush it again. If you guys hear that background noise, it's my mom. I don't know what she has going on, but it's my mom. Okay, and now I'm going to go in with the Eco. About time. I don't really, okay, you could use like a lot. It depends on what type of hair you have. For like 4C hair, I think I have 4C hair, or 4A, something like that. I like to use like a medium amount and just rub it into my hands and then apply it to both sides like this. Can you see the waves? Like you can already see my waves forming. Sides. And then go in with the brush again. It is so hot in here, y'all. Okay, now you can start seeing like, I like to do this just to get an idea of how slick it actually is. And if it's not to my desire, I just let go of it. Okay, and then you could do a little ponytail. You can make it a bun, or you could just put it in a ponytail and then do like a little twist out in the back, or just leave it a little puff, like whatever you choose to do. That honestly doesn't matter. It's all gonna be cute and laid. And then after this step, I like to go in again with some more gel, just to make sure that it actually is, you know, like laying down then one more time with the brush. Do you see that? Who knew a simple hair like just ponytail would be so long? And I know most people, like, they like to add a scarf, like to just wrap a scarf around their head to make sure that it stays laid and so it can dry. But I honestly just leave my house like this, because sometimes you just don't have time for the drying process and stuff like that. So this is it, really. It's super sleek down, and you can still see like the waves in certain parts, like towards the back area and stuff like that. But besides that, this is always my go-to style because I feel like it takes less time. I like it. I think it looks good. I think anyone can do a side part, a middle part, and look amazing. But yeah, that is all. And keep an eye out for my Snapchat, because this is definitely going on my Snapchat. Like, I'm going to be posting pictures like crazy. But if you don't have any of my socials, the link will be in the description. My socials will be in the description. And if you would like to see a wash day routine on my type of hair, my hair texture, the link will be in the description, because that was the last video that I recorded. I know it was mad long ago. But yeah, that is all for this video. And if you enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends, family, all that good stuff. And I will see you guys in my next video.